Yeah, please, quickly.
सगळ्यांना नवीन वर्षाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आय एम रिअली हॅपी टू बी विथ यू बिकॉज ऑफ अमित. I am with Ganu Kaka and I am Mrs. Meenal Mohadikar from India, from Maharashtra. And I will be happy that if we can form a committee for women entrepreneurs or women committee, you can say, so that we can help the women. एक महिला शिक्षित झाली ते संपूर्ण कुटुंब शिक्षित होतं. Like that, if one woman entrepreneur is there, full family is involved in the business. That is my actual experience, as I'm also working for women entrepreneurs in Maharashtra for last 25 years. My NGO is Ammi Udyogini Pratishthan, where we are publishing actually quarterly magazine for women entrepreneurs for last 25 years. And I'm happy to share with you that in this year, means 9th of August, we have launched our online platform to market the products for women entrepreneurs, and which is inaugurated with the hands of Anand Ganu sir and Sunita Tai, as well as Deepak Ghaisas, who was there with us in our meeting. He was there, as well as Sadhna Ghaisas was there with me. And in in the Diwali issue, we have taken the interviews from women entrepreneurs, not from India, outside India, where we have taken interviews of different, means you can also suggest me some of the, I can send you the magazine because it is an audio magazine. So I will be happy to tell you that there should be a core committee of women entrepreneurs or women out all over the world, that is GMG Women Group, where we can meet each other, we can talk with each other, and we can market the product of our Indian women from India to outside India. The second thing is that idea is a currency. Somebody said there should be some idea. So what I will say, idea is a currency, where Amit is really helping us out. Amit's wife, Aparna, is writing a very good, she is taking a success stories of different kinds. Means she can take the interviews from different parts of all over the world, and she can share it with us. Number two. Number three, somebody said that they are coming to stay in Germany or any country. ते येतात का नवऱ्याबरोबर येतात. परंतु if they are sitting at home, my suggestion to them that we are ready to give you a product from India to outside India, so that you can do the trading of your product from India to outside India. Sitting at home, आपण घरी बसून उद्योग करू शकता. For that, of course, प्रत्येक शहराचं किंवा प्रत्येक देशाचे रूल्स रेग्युलेशन्स वेगळे असतील, पण तरी सुद्धा आय एम हॅपी टू शेअर विथ यू, दुबईतले आपल्या वर्तकताई पण मला मदत करतात. शी इज ऑल्सो अ व्हेरी गुड लेडी. आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये, कारण वी आर कनेक्टेड विथ दुबई, आम्ही चांगल्या तऱ्हेने आम्ही बांधले गेलोय. दुबईमध्ये सुद्धा अशा कित्येक उद्योगिनी आहेत की ज्या घरी बसून चांगला उद्योग करतात. त्यामुळे हॅट्स ऑफ टू अमित ॲज वेल एज अपर्णा. आणि असं आपलं कोर टीम झाली तर आपल्याकडे महिला तर येतीलच, पण त्याच्याबरोबर पुरुष पण येतील. आणि त्यामुळे मला वाटतं आपला एक छान ग्रुप फॉर्म होईल. थिंकिंग आपलं सगळ्यांचं सारखं आहे. सो आपण, आणि आता यांनी पण सांगितलं संजीवजींनी, की जॅपनीज लँग्वेज ऑनलाईन करतायत, तर ऑनलाईन जॅपनीज नाही, मी तर म्हणेन जर्मनी पण करूया, जर्मन लँग्वेज पण करूया. अशी एक उद्योगिनी आमच्याकडे पुण्यात आहे, द वन हू इज टेकिंग क्लासेस. शी कॅन हेल्प अस आउट. काही वेळेला मला पटकन आडनावं आठवत नाही, परंतु आय विल शेअर विथ गानू सर. अँड थँक्यू सो मच फॉर गिव्हिंग मी द अपॉर्च्युनिटी, and I'm happy to work with you. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Very well said. Very well said.